Fluffy Girl Nation is a movement.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Fluffy Girl Gang, welcome back to another video. Huh? What y'all say? Oh, why I got on these gloves and gold? Because I got a special surprise for you guys. As seen in the title, I talked about it. Now I'm about to be about it. But before we go any further into this video, make sure you guys like, make sure y'all comment, spam me with hella comments, okay? Make sure y'all guys share. Be like, yo, I be watching this girl called Fluffy Girl Nation. Her name Fluffy Girl Row, but her shit, you know, she lit. Go watch it, and make sure you guys subscribe to the good vibes as you're watching my videos and sharing them and liking them and all that good stuff.
You know I need it, why not just feed it? Can't you see I'm healing, now I proceed. Won't you let me know, let your feelings show. Listen to me flow while I'm in the studio. Now can't you see that I want some Hennessy? But first I gotta ask you, do you really feel me?
So, you see this brush? Y'all been seeing me with a paintbrush a lot lately, right? Yeah, but I'm not doing one of those type paintings right there. I'm going to be painting my bathroom. My bathroom need a makeover. She like, girl, I've been like this for a couple years now, okay? Change my color. So that's what we about to do. So, let's go on and paint. I don't know how many days this gonna take, but we about to get into this painting project, okay? Woo, child, yes. Work them arms, girl.
Meanwhile.
Say hi, Pookie Rose. Say I'm sitting in the bathroom with mommy, cause mommy wanna chill. You wanna chill in here with me? Hi, Pookie. She talk with her tail, y'all. Rose, you want a snack? Yeah, you want a snack? She's so gorgeous. Ain't she gorgeous, guys? Say hi to Rose, y'all.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Okay, you guys, after a second layer of paint, this is the outcome of the bathroom. I think the color and the texture is very beautiful. On my walls, it's bright. Comment down below if you feel the same way. Ooh, child, look at that. Paint chipping. Bathroom just look horrible. You know what they say, right? Out with the old and with the new. Yeah, baby girl need a whole new. Treacherous.